Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss on the challan option of breakage expiry issue. Basically, breakage expiry issue challan is the document of those goods which we issue to our suppliers against those goods which we have purchased from them, which are expired or damaged. So we create breakage expiry issue challan for their settlement. After that, according to the supplier, we will either adjust the balance amount with the bill or adjust its credit note. So now let's see its process in the software, for which we will go to transactions menu, then breakage expiry issue, and then we will click on challan option. Then a window of breakage expiry return challan entry will open, in which the current date will be mentioned automatically. Press enter. Then from the ledgers window, we will select that ledger against whom we are creating the challan. Suppose we will press enter on Seagull Pharmaceuticals. Then again you will switch to the challan entry window, in which the software will automatically generate the challan number. And the cursor will switch to the tax field, in which we will select no from the drop down and then press enter. Then this window of bill details will open, in which we will fill the given fields here as per the requirement. In which first field is save company wise, means if you want to save this challan company wise, then select yes from the drop down, otherwise keep it no. Suppose we will do yes. Then is rate, MRP purchase rate, means whether you are returning the items of challan on MRP rate or on purchase rate. Suppose select purchase rate. Then is item discount percentage, means if you want any discount on the items which you are returning, then you will mention that discount percentage here. Then is returns of bills. In this, two fields are shown to you in the drop down, that is single and multiple, means the goods which you are returning are of the single bill or multiple bills. For now, we will set this field to single and press enter. And in return of bill field, we will mention here that party number of whose goods you want to return. So here you can see that the software is showing you the bill details which you have last created for this company or distributor. Now if you are returning the items of this bill, then you will mention this bill number in returns of bill field. Otherwise you will mention that party number here of which breakage expiry issue challan you want to create as per your requirement. So as you will mention the party number here in returns of bill field, then you will see that all the details related to this bill number like bill date, bill amount will be reflected to you. And as you will press enter, the software will autofill the bill date and bill amount here. Then is reason. Mention the reason here as per the requirement, like damaged goods challan or whatever you want to mention, and press enter. So after that, the cursor will switch directly to the drop down of calculation type, in which you can select the type of calculation that on which base you want to do the calculation for the return of goods. Or you will keep the calculation type field to default, means keep the calculation type same which is being set in the software, and press enter. As you will press enter, the bill items will be loaded. Now you will select that item by pressing spacebar key of which you want to create the challan, means which you want to return. Or if you want to return all items of the bill, then select all items by pressing star key and then press enter key. So in this way, all the items will be loaded in the challan. Now keep pressing end key or tab key to save the challan. Then a window of save changes will open along with the bill adjustment window. Simply you will click on yes button on save changes window and save the challan. And if we set returns of bills field on multiple, then in that case the cursor will switch directly to the reason field after returns of bills field, in which we will enter the reason as per the requirement. Then cursor will switch to the calculation type. After selecting the calculation type, press enter. Then a window of return breakage expiry store will open, in which some filters are given. Like through manual selection filter, you can add those items manually of which you want to make the challan. And apart from manual selection, Suppose if you want to create the breakage expiry return challan of those items which are going to expire in a particular time. So with the help of this expired before filter, you can use the filtration. Similarly, you can use other filters given here as per your requirement. So friends, by following the process shown in the video, you can use the challan option of breakage expiry issue. Thanks for watching.